Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Roisah Maulidatunnisa Istiqomah. Here I will discuss about water pollution and its impact on the human health. Before we get into the material, I will read the identity of me and the journal. My name is Roisah Maulidatunnisa Istiqomah, NIM 22034160626 from Offering Bay 2022. Name of journal is Journal of Environment and Human. The author is Joshua Nizelhalder and M. Nazrul Islam and was published in 2015. Okay, first I will discuss the background of article. Water is critical for the survival of all living organisms, including human, food production, and economic development. Many countries have problems with water. Some countries experience and resolve water pollution. The quality of water is affected by human activity and urbanization, industrial production, climate change, and other factors. Okay, Bangladesh, as the one of the country that has a critical problem regarding river pollution. Most water pollution comes from raw sewage, industrial waste, oil spill, and piles of garbage. Dhaka City, one of the cities in Bangladesh which is surrounded by many rivers such as Turak, Baringanga, Daleswari, and others. Polluted rivers become toxic and kill aquatic creatures and are harmful to human health where the river has been polluted and turned into poisonous water, which can kill aquatic living things and also bring plagues of disease. Okay, second is research question. Number one, how the variation in different water quality parameters along a strip of the river due to the disposal of untreated industrial waste. And second change. Number two, what health problem created by the pollution? Okay, third is methodology. First is local study. The study was conducted in a 2-kilometer long strip of Turak, which start from Tongi Bridge following the river parallel to the Australia Road. The next is search of data. The research used two ways of the data analysis. Primary data collection is done with interviewing people in the study area and conducting a survey on the research topic. Secondary data is collected from book, journal, previous research paper, or document related to research. In case of secondary data, map and information has been collected from Department of Environment, Bangladesh Water Development Board, Bangladesh University Engineering and Technology, and Institute of Water Modeling. Okay, number three is data collection methods. Primary data were obtained from field observation. Secondary data has been collected from DOE or Department of Environment, Bangladesh Water Development Board, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, and Institute of Water and Modeling. A special report from the DOF MICH, the Turak project of the Bangladesh Center of Advanced Studies. Water sample and photo test in environment laboratories. Last surveys water quality data collect and test. Focus group discussion and in-depth interview with community members to identify their perceived currents and historical health problems. Okay, and the next is sample collection. Water sampling was carried out at 4 different river points during the period April 2013 to July 2013, covering the dry season and rainy season. Samples were taken at the depth 15 until 20 centimeters only because the focus of the study was surface pollution. And the next is sampling, handling, and preservation. Appropriate sample handling and preservation is essential to ensure the quality. Factors considered are listed as A. collection plastic containers from inorganic sample with less container use of organic analysis. B. In general, all samples are placed on ice in the dark. And C. Analysis should be initiated as soon as possible after collection to avoid sample deterioration. Okay, the next is result. The result of the study found that the value of dissolved oxygen was RGO was between 0.76 mg per liter to 7.1 mg per liter, where the 1997 AZR standard was 6 mg per liter. The pH values varies from 6.14 to 8.79, where the 1997 AZR standard is 6.5 until 8.5. The quantity of color in water varies from 104 PTCU to 625 PTCU, where the 1997 AZR limit value is 50 PTCU, 15 PTCU. The value of turbidity in the water varied from 12.31 NTU to 97.2 NTU, where the limiting value is of ACR 1997 is 10 NTU only. The POD5 on the water varied from 0.7 mg per liter to 4.65 mg per liter, where the limiting value of AZR in 1997 is 0.2 mg per liter. The amount of hardness in the water varied from 3000 mg per liter to 1816 mg per liter, where the limiting value of AZR 1997 is 200 until 500 mg per liter. The quantity of total dissolved solid or TDS in the water varied from 118 mg per liter to 676 mg per liter, where the limiting value of AZR 1997 is 100 mg per liter. The quantity of chlorida in the water varied from 0.24 mg per liter to 5 mg per liter, where the limiting value AZR 1997 is 0.2 mg per liter. The amount of carbon dioxide or CO2 in the water varied from 0 to 15. The quantity of chemical oxygen demand or COD in the water varied from 4 mg per liter to 78 mg per liter, where the limiting value of ACR 1997 is 4 mg per liter. Okay, the next is discussion. First is health problem. The vision of the study is A. Assess and prevalent health condition of the people living around the river and prepare of health profile. B. Identify potential environmental factor associated with health problem. And C. Identify potential pollution-related health indicator. Okay, the next is community perception of health profile. The community mentioned that skin disease, diarrhea, ulcer, and respiratory disease are common problems in the community. In addition, there are other diseases, namely disease disorder, hypertension, pneumonia, malaria, and other. Qualitative environment suggests that there may be a link between pollution and health problems. The discovery of alkaline water from the extensive use of alkaline soda ash and caustic soda in the textile dyeing industry has become one of factors of skin problem in society. In addition, the community has also mentioned that there are two reasons that cause skin disease. The first is spread through contact, especially among children who live in an unhealthy environment. Second is contact of chemical use in factors. Okay, and the last is conclusion. The water quality of the Turaj River cannot sustain aquatic life and it's not suitable for domestic use. The result of studies state that the disposal of industrial waste into river system has caused serious environmental pollution. River surface water quality around Dhaka city is a big threat to the ecosystem, although some parameter may not be in a deteriorating level, but the condition of riverside urbanization and industrialization can cause water pollution in the river. In addition of local communities suffers from various health problems that can be a result of discharge and flow of wastewater due to the possibility of high water pH. There is also a possibility that groundwater is polluted by industrial sewage infiltration, but also there in empirical research on this. People also suffers from yellow fever, cholera, dengue fever, malaria, respiratory disorder, and other pandemic disease. Okay, that's all for me. If there are mistake in my pronunciation, I'm sorry. And see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.